Evening, everybody. Another splendid day here on the ranch. Haven't been in a good internet fight in a while, so I thought I would stir one up today. I was watching YouTube the other day when a popular YouTuber was talking about doing a how-to on installing a 240 volt outlet. It's a pretty common DIY project for the advanced DIYer. But this YouTuber made a statement that I have heard often repeated on YouTube, and I kind of take exception to it. Although it's not intuitively wrong, it's not how it works. So the basic premise of this error is that to get a 240 volt outlet, you need to take two phases, and I put phases in air quotes, and add those together. The theory is that those two phases, in air quotes, are 180 degrees out of phase with each other. Therefore, they add together to give you 240 volts. I'm going to show in a few more videos that not only is that mathematically incorrect, it makes no sense. So if you have an opinion, which I know you do, please drop it down in the comment box and let me know your take on whether or not 240 volts is actually just 220 phases that are 180 degrees out of phase that are added together. There you go. Have a good one.